Guys, good morning or good evening. So this tutorial will be seeing how to find a file, rename your files and folders. So far you have created several files, you have created folders. I hope you have created some different files and folders and you practiced a lot. Right? After creating several files, you might forgot where exactly the specified file is saved. In order to search that specified file, we use a find option. So our topic is about finding files, renaming files and folders, right? So how to find those particular files? So you have in the last you have stored some, you have created a folder called personal and desktop or personal data inside the personal, and after several days, so you might have forgot it, you might have forgot where that folder was created or where that file was created. So it is difficult, right? So we have an option called file. So you using that find option, we can find a particular file or folders. So how to do that? Steps to find a file: click the start button in the search box, enter the file name you want to find. So what I'll do is simply, if it is Windows 10, you can click on this and you can simply search the file name, okay, or you can click on search for is already there, and I want to search personal. So you can see the folder, you can find the folder and you can access that. And also I want to see the personal details of file that was created. Personal details, see, you got the personal details path and you can see the path here, like see user, owner, desktop, personal, and you can see it by this you can create, you can search and you can get the option. So same way, when you click on when if it is a Windows 7 or Windows XP, when you click on Windows button, there you will be getting an option called as a search. So there, from there you can find the files and you can do a searching and you can access the files or folders when you forget a path. So here now we will see how to rename a file. Okay, so just click on this file, okay, by placing a cursor pointer over here and press F2 button on the keyboard. Then you can rename this. Simply I wanted to name from backup to, I can say it as a duplicate. Okay, I want to rename from backup to duplicate, then press enter. See, your file has been renamed from backup to duplicate. In the same way, I want to rename my personal data. So personal folder, so personal folder, it was in uppercase letter, now I wanted to rename it into lowercase letters, personal. So see, the personal folder has been renamed from uppercase letters to letters. Or I wanted to name this as personal information, okay, and you can store this. In this way you can create a folder, you can rename a folder and you can find a file or you can anything. And there is other search option in this particular path here. If you want to search, you know the directory, you know that you have stored your file on desktop, but you don't know in which folder that file is. But simply I can type it as personal and just enter, so you can see all this information related to the personal. Okay, so this is how you can find all the details, or you can find files, you can rename a file, or you can search a file or folders. Okay, so click on enter. So this is how a start button in the search box, enter the file name you want to find, click on enter, then the file will be displayed. If you move cursor onto that file name, you can find the path, the file where it has been saved, double click on it, open it. Thank you everyone.